Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Asana for a Google Doc project. This will help you keep track of all the tasks needed to complete your document. So let's dive in. Guys, we know that Asana is a great tool for project management, and using it to manage tasks for a Google Doc project can make your workflow much more efficient. I'll show you how to set up a checklist in Asana to ensure everything gets done on time. Firstly, you need to create a new project. You can use the blank project or you can choose the template. So I'll choose the template. So I'll give you a project name because it will identify our project very easily. Then choose the create project. Then I will add some section. So you can find it here or you can find it here just on the bottom of the section. So I can add some section like research, writing. I also select another one. Wait, then add tags each section. For research section, I'll choose find source. Then I will assign the tags and also the assign the tags like I have the mine, and also I can choose a due date like 20 June or 33 August. Then add the subtasks, which is very important to organize your tasks. Then add checklist within each task to track specific item. This is especially useful for tasks with multiple components. And then monitor progress and make adjustment as needed. Regularly check the progress of your tasks and make any necessary adjustment to due dates or assign. And that's how you create a checklist in Asana for a Google Doc project. This method will help you stay organized and ensure that all tasks are completed on time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone.